guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, my hair's a mess, right? I'm trying to get myself together for the day. It is a vlog style video today. My day starts super early. So it is now 6:42. I have, ooh, my lashes all wonky. Y'all, I'm a mess. I have my friend's baby shower today, so I'm doing her makeup for that. But first I have to drive over to Jersey and we're gonna try to get a car finally. The only reason this is in because content. I don't really have time during the week because I've just been feeling awful to film, and I've been really trying to do a behind the scenes of her maternity shoot for like weeks now. But she's been canceling. She's not been feeling well. And I understand, allergies are kicking my ass today too. Everything's just a mess. I still cannot eat, y'all. It's been almost 2 weeks and everything makes me feel fucking awful. Like my stomach is churning when I eat anything. I almost cried last night when I realized that I could have Fruit Loops because I didn't feel sick. So there's that. But yeah, it's a long, really long day. My friend doesn't know yet, but I am not gonna stay for most of her baby shower because I just feel awful and I just don't feel like pretending to be around people, like being okay to be around people. I'm gonna see her family. I'm going to help when I can, but I'm probably just gonna dip out. I don't feel good and I can't eat. What's the point? And honestly, guys, I fucking hate baby showers, okay? I hate them. And it's the games. I hate baby shower games. And people are like, well, just don't play the games. If you've ever been to a baby shower, they force the games on you, so it's a no-go for me. But yeah, I actually have to leave in 15 minutes. My makeup kit is packed. Everything's packed. I have to put everything in the car. I was gonna go. So if you guys are ready to get started on this day with me, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching.
Pull up Rusty. Pull up Rusty.
It's a very different time of day. It is now 6:16, almost 12 hours from when I checked in, honestly, and I'm exhausted. I did my friend's makeup for her shower. I helped her set up for the shower so I don't have too much of that. The rain has been awful. My makeup is still good from when I did my makeup early this morning. My hair is a mess because, again, it was pouring, but guys, I did get a car. We're in my car. It's blue, but it's pouring, so I don't really have any pictures. So maybe I'll put up some stock photos from the dealership somewhere. But try to get some clips of the actual shower as some background, and it'll just be a quick little video or something like that.
Pull up Rusty. Pull up Rusty.